If you are a fan of the Clone Wars, this is a must-have for your LEGO Star Wars collection. The Armored Assault Tank, or AAT, it's a perfect setup for recreating battles between Ahsoka Tano, her clone trooper, and a pair of battle droids. The build includes a rotating turret, an elevating cannon, spring-loaded shooters, and opening hatches, where you can see the droid pilots. Everything is smooth, compact, and full of features, just like in the series. You get 4 characters: Ahsoka with her dual lightsabers, an exclusive clone trooper, and 2 battle droids to command the AAT. It's an ideal set for both action-packed play and display iconic Clone Wars moments. At just under 300 pieces, it's a quick but satisfying build that packs in a lot of playability. Whether you are building your grand army of the Republic or backing the droid army, this set brings the galactic battle right to your shelf.